So if we consider a chemical reaction happening in a living system, now this example that we have taken happens in all our RBCs, and it is a part of transport of respiratory gas, which is carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide from the tissues. So from our tissues, because our tissues are releasing a lot of carbon dioxide, they're utilizing the oxygen brought by the oxygenated blood, and they release a lot of carbon dioxide. So whatever carbon dioxide the tissue releases, it enters the RBC, and inside the RBC, it combines with water in the presence of an enzyme. Now this is the important feature here. The enzyme involved in the reaction between carbon dioxide and water to form an acid called carbonic acid is carbonic anhydrase. Now imagine that the enzyme is not present. If the enzyme carbonic acid is absent, so no enzyme, then only about 200 molecules of carbonic acid, so 200 molecules of H2CO3 are produced in 1 hour. So see, the reaction has become very slow. Now if you have this enzyme, with the enzyme, if the enzyme is there like how it is there in all our living systems, then we can produce about 6 lakh molecules of carbonic acid H2CO3 per second. So see how much, by 10 million times almost, the rate of the reaction has increased. Without the enzyme, we got only 200 molecules of the product. This is the product. Ultimate goal of this reaction is to obtain the product, and these are the reactants, isn't it? We don't call them reactants, we call them as substrate because the enzyme reacts with them. Okay, so substrates are carbon dioxide and water. The goal of the reaction is to obtain product. In the absence of the enzyme, we get less product, just 200. In the presence of an enzyme, we get 6 lakh per second, we get more product. So this is a reflection of the fact that enzymes increase the rate of chemical reaction. In this case, it has increased the rate of reaction by almost 10 million times. So this tells you how important the role of enzyme is in a living system.